Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel if you're a returnee, but if you're just seeing me for the first time, hi, my name is Chantel, a YouTuber based in Nigeria. If you like what you see already, please do well to subscribe now by clicking on the button that spells subscribe by the right hand side of this video and the bell icon that shows up after so you don't miss out on any of my bomb uploads. Thank you so much for stopping by today, and let's just begin today's video. Guys, this video was born out of boredom. I actually watched the Ubani's own and it was like an inspiration to me. I've been so bored. The fact that I want to leave the house but I cannot, that is what is making me go mental. Normally I'm an indoorsy type of person. I can be at home for 1 week, but this one is so different because I am limited to being at home. Like, I must be at home. You know how our mind works. When you don't have any constraints, you can do something, but once there's an embargo placed on that thing, nobody wants to follow suit. Nobody, myself included. I haven't seen my friends in so long, and some of the people I'm going to call to are not based in Port Harcourt, but I haven't seen all of them in so long, so I'm just going to call them and prank them. What I have in mind, the idea I have in mind, is to tell them that I just got engaged. So I just want to hear their response and see how they will react to it, basically, and you guys are going to do it together. So I'm going to be calling a few of my friends that I feel like have an idea of what is going on in my life, yeah, and just tell them, oh, I got engaged, and see their reaction. I'm going to try and download an engagement ring from Google because I know some of them are so curious. They'll be like, send me the picture of the ring. So I'll tell them that it was online and I haven't seen the person. I've seen the person here, but he's coming back. He doesn't stay in Nigeria, so he just sent me a picture of the ring, and yeah, when he comes back, we'll start from there because of this whole COVID-19 thing, yeah. I hope I'll be very convincing because I know I can laugh a lot, but yeah, let's see how it goes. I'll call my friends, and I think one of my family members, I'll call my brother Uche, and I'd love to call all three of my brothers, but the time difference might be a problem because Gochku works with the NHS and he's so busy this period. So Uche should be on lockdown because his job doesn't require medical whatever. Obina's timing is way different. So if I call him now and realize this is a prank, he will not find this funny. So let me not touch that one. Let me just let sleeping dogs lie. Who am I going to call first? Let me call Uche. I spoke with Uche yesterday, so she'll have no idea. She can't even guess. Uche is one of my closest friends, and you guys saw her in my vlog when both of us went to Ivy's house. I'm calling Uche now. Uche rarely picks her phone. How far? How are you?
I'm fine.
Hi, it's how we spoke yesterday, Abby.
Hello.
Oh, okay. It was looking like it's been so long. This whole corona thing, eh? Well, I just called you to tell you something. Guess.
I thought the guy has proposed.
Yes.
I don't even guess it.
Well, that is it.
I don't say. So wait. So what did you say?
Are you not happy for me? Are you mad?
I'm happy now, but I'm wondering, like, what did you say? Me, I want to know what you said.
Okay, I shall just said let him come back because you can't be doing this type of thing over the phone.
Are you serious? That's exciting now.
Well, I did not get the type of reaction I wanted from you now. Okay, Sha. I know, Sha. But guess what?
You know how sick it was.
Your video, I just pranked you. Well, I'm bored. I need content. So I said, let me prank all my friends. Yeah, you'll be on my YouTube picture, on my YouTube video.
Why you do this to me? I was like, are you serious? No, things are staying happening. Why did you bring up my spirit?
Don't worry, the next one, when it's for real, it will not be a prank.
Now, I will not know when you are saying the truth.
Well, I will not do it again.
I would have prepared myself. I was also the dark.
I won't do it again until you do the real one.
How fun.
Everything is fine. I'll call you back. Let me call the next person. Goodbye. Oh my god, my face hurts from laughing. Like, I'm having brain freeze. You guys, anytime I laugh so hard, my brain starts to pay me. But that was Uche. I just got that, and yeah. Let me call. Who? Let me call Ivy. Ivy is the second person. Ivy is also one of my very close friends. I'm ringing. It's another dramatic queen, so let's hear.
Hey.
Okay, how far? Hi.
Why are you calling yourself back?
Because I'm mad at you. So since this coronavirus, cannot call me and ask me that I'm coughing or I'm
I'm
okay.
also mad at you.
Why will you be mad at me? Who called you the last time? Who called you? It's a lie. It was me that called you. It was me that called
I
you.
called you. You missed my call.
I called.
They even called you. That is true. That's
Well, in simple terms, who now called you? I was the one that called that. We're even talking about Ethan. You see your life.
The last two, or at least 2 times. I'm thinking 3 times. I'm just like Jada called you.
You see your life. You have joined bad gang. So now this, Cha, I'm not even going to. Let me even leave all of that, Cha. Let me tell you what I called you for. After we finish, I'll go back to our quarrel. Let me tell you what I called you for. Well, someone asked me to marry him.
Who's that?
Somebody that just started seeing. It's not been long though. But he says he has been on my case for the longest time, blah blah blah. He knows what he wants and he's Kelechi.
Hey! Jesus, that's how you walk. So we have a wedding to plan.
We have a wedding to plan, yeah. Like,
You have said yes.
I've not said yes. I said he should just keep calm. He showed me the ring and everything. I just said he should keep calm first until.
Hey, Jesus, you want to do bad thing? Are you serious?
Yeah, you want to black bath? You don't have to break your back.
No. Things happen, just like that. Hey!
They will
Wait,
live.
wait, let me ask you this question. So is it okay? Like, is it something that you can work with?
Yeah, I think so.
Hey, that means we have a wedding to plan after coronavirus. We have a wedding to plan after coronavirus.
Well, to cut your joy short, it's just a prank. It's not as of April. Well, I'm bored. I'm just filming a video, so you're on YouTube. I'm recording this.
You're serious?
We have a wedding to plan after coronavirus. I called Uche now. Uche say, "Hey God, Kelechi, I have rice on fire." Frank, please.
This video was why did you not think through? So let me send sweet boys now.
See this one. Very vain. Cloud chaser.
Chick, this was walking out. It's something wrong with you. What do you mean?
Well, we still have a wedding. We might still have a wedding to plan. December is still far, so don't give up. Don't give up hope yet.
I want it after coronavirus.
After Corona, then December or before December. Do not be hopeless yet. I don't know who I want to call again. Let me call the next person. Vina is the person I'm calling next now. Oh my God. Jesus. Let me call Vina. Vina and I went to the same secondary school, so we've been friends for so long. Let me call her. That's another. My friends are all dramatic. I'm calling Vina now.
Hello?
How far? How are you?
I'm fine.
Are you sleeping?
No.
Okay. What are you doing?
I'm just Lodge.
You're in your house?
I am my house.
Corona Jesus. Do you know anybody that the thing caught?
No. Not the
Okay. Well, I just had to tell you something though.
What?
So I don't know. It happened yesterday night, but I just had to tell you.
What?
That guy asked me to marry him. Did I agree? I said I don't know first though. Let's him just come. See Amma, what did she want here?
She saw me jumping, she followed me. I pray he's a good man. I pray he's a good man.
I think he's a good man.
I pray he's a good man. You should not even go marry and go. have money every day. This is like it. I just go break.
Now Franco, I didn't Frank you.
I'll slap you.
I'm filming a video. Peanut Butter wants to kill me. I said, let me call all my friends and prank them and tell them that I'm engaged. So you're on YouTube right now.
Oh, today. Oh, I'm going to
Oh my God. Let me call you Jova. Let me call you Jova. Call you back. Bye-bye. Guys, we're going to call one more person. I don't want this video to be overly long, so we'll call one more person. Ijoma. Ijoma was also being a nice classmate back in secondary school, so we're really closely knitted, and she's also very dramatic. Let me call her. I haven't spoken to Ijoma in terms of relationship in a while, so hers would be very easy to believe. Do you get? How far? How are you?
I'm fine. How far?
I'm okay. What did they chop?
I'm
Stew.
bread.
Oh, tea and bread. Okay.
Coronavirus, tea and bread.
No, be small coronavirus tea and bread. Where did you food shop from?
I went to Sahado. You go to the market now.
Are you serious? Wow. But the Sahad, is there a crowd?
Well, there is. I just went and maintained my own social distancing. Like,
No, be small. I can imagine. I said, let me tell you. I don't know. It just happened abruptly, Shab. I said, make I just tell you. We have wedding to plan.
Are you serious? What is the lucky guy?
You're the lucky guy. Hey, man.
Where is the person now?
He stays in America. Which one is this American people? Did they write American people that they have issues?
I just hear them. I just about whatever it is, man. Whatever it is, like, what to the tax?
Have you equal to the tax?
No, we cannot plan anything that will
No, we can't plan anything until Corona.
to December.
December.
I feel like still.
I feel like anyhow, Sha, is a prank. Through your veins. You're on YouTube. I'm filming it, so in case you see it, you watch it. Let it polarize. I got Vina and say, Jesus, Jesus, I cannot shout here. Yeah. Let me go outside and shout, Jesus, Jesus. No, I wanted in real life. No, this thing.
No, you got me.
Alright. Oh my gosh. God. So guys, those are my 4 friends. I'd have called my brother Uche, but I feel like it will elongate these videos for longer than anticipated. I just want it to be a short video that is so much fun because this was born out of boredom and I just needed some fun and laughter in my life this hot afternoon. So yeah, that's the end of today's video. If you enjoyed watching, let me know your favorite part in the comment. And would you want to prank your friends? If you're a YouTuber, you can jump on this. I told you guys I got inspired to do this by watching Diobani's video. She pranked her friends that she was pregnant at 40. So I felt like the only thing I could use to prank my friends was getting engaged because I'm at that age of marriage and all of that. So yeah, if you want to follow this star, you can do so and look for something very interesting that will make your friends fall for it. Also share with your friends, share on Instagram, share on YouTube, share on Twitter, and just get this video out there. It's for fun. It's just something to keep us going during this quarantine period. Thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down so I can know the type of videos you want here on my channel. I love you so much and I'll be sure to see you in my next one. Bye guys.